Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe. Yes, on the evening of 7th May, Kunu, Mal, Saithalbi heard sirens of ambulances heading towards the coast of his town in the southern Indian state of Kerala and feared the worst. Mr. Saithalbi, 48 years, had been trying to get in touch with his family to no avail. I tried them on 3 different mobile phones they used but got no response, he says. Several members of his family had gone to Thubal Theram, a popular tourist destination near an estuary in Tanur, a coastal town in the Malappuram district. The 8th and also the 9th ended with horrifying news for Mr. Saithalbi. 11 members of his family, including his wife and 4 children, were among 22 people who died after a packed tourist boat capsized here. Mr. Saithalbi and his younger brother Kunnusumai Siraj lived with their families and their mother at their ancestral home in the places just a few kilometers away from Thubal Theram. Their sisters was visiting the family when they decided to visit the tourist destination. The family also invited their adopted brother Kunumal Zabir and his family, their neighbor Asifa and her 2 children to join them on the excursion. The 19 members group went to the estuary on Sunday evening. Mr. Saithalbi says he joined his family at the spot and spent some time with them before leaving to meet a friend living nearby. I warned them not to take the boat ride as I was sure boating at that time would not be safe, he says. His neighbors, Mr. Asiba, who had accompanied the family, says the group was about to return home that evening when boat operators offered huge discounts on tickets and free tickets for children. It was an attractive offer, she says. We accepted it, but I changed my mind because of safety concern. Mr. Saithalbi's family got on the travel decker boat for a ride, but a few minutes later, Mr. and Mrs. Asiba, who had been waiting for them on the shore with her children, heard of the accident. I was in shock, he says. The boat had reportedly carried about 50 people or double its capacity when it overturned on Sunday night. The operator did not have permission to take the boat into the waters after dusk, the Indian Express newspaper had reported. Officials say overcrowding caused the boat to capsize. Many passengers were trapped under the vessel. The darkening night sky hindered rescue efforts, local media said. Mr. Saithalbi was at the terrace of his friend's N.P. Koya's house at the time of the accident. When calls to his family did not go through, both of them rushed to the coast. I feared something tragic had happened to my family, Mr. Saithalbi says. Once at the estuary, they took a boat, docked on the shore and rushed to rescue accident victims. When we reached the spot in our small boat, there were many others who had come there to help with the rescue. Mr. Koya says he, Saithalbi, was in panic when we reached the spot. Behind the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, India.